Now here's the latest from the Bureau of Meteorology on the developing tropical low CO1, and it's expected to form east of the Solomon Islands later today within Fiji's area responsibility. CO1U is likely to move towards the southwest during the weekend, possibly into the northeast Coral Sea on Tuesday. There is a high chance that it will reach tropical cyclone intensity next week. CO1U is forecast to remain a long way from the Queensland coast and no direct impacts are expected, and high is greater than 50%. So the tropical low continues to slowly develop to the east of the Solomon Islands. And here's a look at the Bureau's modelling, and you can clearly see that by this time next week it's going to be further west. But the Bureau did indicate that it could develop. Today it's only a tropical depression according to Fiji Met. Very limited information on the screen. Or I should say on their website. Tropical disturbance CO1F, central pressure 1006 hectopascals, near 5.5 degrees south, 172.2 degrees east. Position remains poor, going by the Himawari 9 infrared visible imagery. The tropical disturbance CO1F currently moving southwest at about 5 knots. Maximum 10-minute average winds near the centre estimated at about 25 knots. The potential for this system to develop into a tropical cyclone in the next 24 to 48 hours remains low, but increases to moderate. The system has increased by 5 knots. It was, let's say, 30 hours ago, around 20 knots. So the primary forecaster, which is the Fiji Met, is indicating 25 knots. And earlier today, the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre also came on board. Whilst we have a look at the NOAA floaters, here's the latest from the centre. An area convection in West 90p has persisted near 4.3 degrees south, 170.2 degrees east. It's about 700 nautical miles northeast of Honiara, Solomon Islands. Animated multispectral satellite imagery and a 91 gigahertz microwave partial pass depicts persistent deep convection in the southwestern quadrant of a gradually consolidating low-level circulation centre. SMOS pass reveals winds limited to 15 to 25 knots around the centre. Environmental analysis reveals favourable conditions for intensification with low to moderate 15 to 20 knot vertical wind shear, 30-31 Celsius sea surface temperatures, and upper level point source to the north, providing good outflow. Global models are in agreement that 90P will continue to gradually develop as it tracks southwestward towards the Solomon Islands. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated at 18 to 23 knots. Minimum sea level pressure is estimated to be near 1006 millibars, and the potential for the development of a significant tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours remains low. Now here's a look at the tropical tidbits. Tracks on the tropical low, 90P invest GEPS 1 of 3. It's far too early. What the long-term direction the system will take. But when you look at the information provided in this update, there's still a fair bit of uncertainty. It could even end up partially in Australia's area of responsibility, which will make it the northeastern region of the Coral Sea. Sea surface temperatures very healthy, 30-31 Celsius. We will continue to bring the latest information via the AU channel on this developing system. And we also have a top priority severe weather warning for damaging winds for parts of the state of Tasmania, and that information is in our live stream video, which is on our channel. Invest 90p, 5.9 degrees south, 169.7 degrees east, 20 knots, and central pressure is 1006 millibars. Joint Typhoon Warning Centre will update around 1900 hours